I will show you this mouse, how it looks, and I will test it to see what it can do and how the LEDs are visible. I bought it because it is cheap compared to other brands. It has good reviews, it is wireless, and it has some LEDs that make it look very good. It is very good for gaming. The battery lasts 80 hours of use in eco mode with RGB off and 20 hours with RGB on. Geared with 5 onboard DPI levels, which allow your mouse movements to be registered to each pinpoint location. 5 DPI levels are free to DIY with software, enabling gamers to switch swiftly in-game. Okay, but let's see what we find in the box. All 9 programmable buttons are editable with customizable tactical keybinds in whatever game or work you are engaging. 1 rapid fire plus 2 side macro buttons offer you better gaming and working experience. With Redragon Pro Driver, DIY endless style like dynamic streaming, breathing, waving. The game closely linked with various lighting modes makes your room full of a competitive vibe. The application is easy to use. You can customize the buttons and RGB colors as you wish. Also here, you can make whatever macro you want. I like how it looks. These are just a few examples, but you can set the colors you want. There are 16.8 million customizable color options. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe.